Thank you for watching JCM Online Rwanda. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories and updates. Stay connected. Your voice, your vision.
What is Valentine's Day? Every year on February 14th, the world pauses for a moment to celebrate love. Flowers are given, hearts are shared, and words of affection fill the air. But have you ever wondered, what is Valentine's Day really about? Where did it begin, and how has it changed today? Welcome to JCM Online Rwanda, your smart learning partner. Today, let us journey through history and rediscover the true meaning of love. What is Valentine's Day? Valentine's Day is celebrated every February 14th. It is a day dedicated to love, affection, appreciation, commitment. People express love by giving roses, sending heartfelt messages, sharing chocolates, spending meaningful time together. Though it is often associated with romantic couples, Valentine's Day can also be a day to appreciate family, friends, acts of kindness. At its heart, Valentine's Day is about love expressed through action. Ancient Rome celebrated a festival called Lupercalia in mid-February. It was a festival connected to fertility and purification. Later, as Christianity spread, the church replaced pagan celebrations with Christian remembrance. The story of Saint Valentine. The most famous story tells of a priest named Saint Valentine. At that time, Emperor Claudius II believed single men made better soldiers, so he banned young men from marrying. But Valentine believed in love. Secretly, he performed marriages for young couples. When he was discovered, he was imprisoned and later executed on February 14th. Legend says before his death, he wrote a letter signed "From your Valentine," a simple phrase that would echo through centuries. Valentine's Day began as a symbol of sacrifice, courage, and faithful love. In the Middle Ages, people believed that February 14th marked the beginning of birds' mating season. Poets began linking the day with romance. Writers like Geoffrey Chaucer helped shape Valentine's Day into a celebration of romantic love through poetry. From that time, love letters and handwritten cards became popular. Valentine's Day looks very different. It has become a global celebration, a commercial event, a social media trend. Shops fill roses, jewelry, teddy bears, expensive dinners. Social media influences how people celebrate love. For some, it has become more about showing love publicly than living love deeply. Comparison, past vs. slow, reflective tone. In the past, love meant sacrifice, love meant commitment, love required courage, love was spiritual. Nowadays, love is often commercial, love is displayed online, love is measured by gifts, love can be seasonal, but true love has never changed. It is patient, it is kind. In the past, love meant sacrifice. It meant standing firm even when it was difficult. Love meant commitment, a promise made for life. It required courage, the courage to choose one person and remain faithful. And for many, love was spiritual. It was sacred. But nowadays, love is often commercial. It is displayed online, measured by likes, captured in perfect photos. Sometimes love is measured by gifts. Sometimes it feels seasonal, celebrated loudly in February and forgotten too soon. Soft, reassuring tone. But true love has never changed. It is patient, it is kind, it is responsible, it is faithful, and it does not fade with trends. What should Valentine's Day mean today? For us, especially as families and as believers, Valentine's Day can be more. It can be a day to forgive, a day to reconnect, a day to strengthen marriages, a day to show genuine care. Love is not about how much you spend, it is about how deeply you care. It is not about one day in February, it is about everyday commitment. It is about choosing the same person, again and again. It is about loving even when it is not easy. That is real love. Valentine's Day began with sacrifice, grew through poetry, and transformed through time. The world may celebrate it in many ways, but the true meaning of love remains the same. Choose love that is faithful. Choose love that is patient. Choose love that reflects kindness. This is JCM Online Rwanda. Speak hope, spread light. Happy Valentine's Day.